Delta Industrial Valves, superior quality valves for 21st century companies. Delta Industrial Valves has the answer to industry's age-old problem, stopping media flow with zero leakage through the pipeline and into the atmosphere. One of the methods Delta Industrial uses to achieve zero leakage is its patented transverse seal, a single-piece elastomer that utilizes dual scraper blades to clean the gate during actuation. This single-piece seal, combined with our upper and lower scraper blades, is energized by pliable Teflon fiber packing. The force exerted by the packing is adjustable by means of the external packing screws. These screws are located on opposing sides of the valve body to ensure access to at least one set, regardless of valve orientation. If required, additional packing can be added through the screw holes while the valve is in line. The valve can even be under pressure and actuating while packing is added. In addition to the Series 150 and 300 valves, Delta Industrial also offers center block and bleed valves, which serve the dual function of double block and bleed and line blinds. This unique concept uses Series 150 or Series 300 standard valve components and adds an isolated center section. The center block and bleed valve has two gates connected to a single stem to create an isolated space in the center. Each gate seals against a dual metal resilient seat to provide a bidirectional zero leakage shutoff. As the gates enter the closed position, three distinct actions occur. First, solids are displaced by the shearing edges of the gates and machined body. Second, the tip of the gates seat into the elastomer. And third, their beveled edges mate with the matching precision machine metal seats on the valve body and prevent them from overcompressing the elastomer seats. Both valve gates are easily locked into place with just a single pin. And for conditions where continual downward pressure cannot be supplied by actuation, special cam-type locking devices are available. There are three uses for the isolated center section. 1. To vent it into the atmosphere. 2. To purge or flush the center space. And 3. To pressurize it to a higher pressure than upstream. Under the normal operating conditions with the gates in fully closed position, there is zero leakage through the seats. Opening the drain valve will allow the flow media trapped in the isolated center body to drain out. If the flow media continues to drain, there is an upset condition which is allowing it to pass through the upstream seat and out through the drain. In this upset condition, there are three ways to ensure a secure and blocked system. 1. The drain valve can be left in the open position, allowing the leakage to flow out to containment. 2. Another port on the isolated center body can be used to inject an inert medium, such as air or water, to help flush out or purge the leakage. 3. The isolated center body can also be pressurized using an inert medium, such as air or water, to create a pressure higher than the adjoining upstream pipeline pressure. Draining, purging, or pressurizing of the isolated center body can also be used under normal operating conditions to ensure a double block and bleed system. Delta Industrial's center block and bleed valve provides a safe and efficient method for pipeline isolation by eliminating complicated double block and bleed systems and time-consuming line blinds. It protects employees and the environment from hazardous material leakage while decreasing downtime and reducing cost. Delta Industrial Valves, dedicated to providing the best products for the most demanding industries.